These are kind of cool habitat islands. But we definitely have a lot of Canadian geese. Not just in the water, but also up in the grass. It kind of grosses me out, like to step in there, all the bird poop or whatever. I always like to not wear my shoes in the house or actually to disinfect my shoes. They're kind of exciting.
No, yeah, exactly. It's like
Hey there. Yeah, that's a lot of geese. I think the dogs are really excited about them and the kids. Boy, I'm very mixed. I like birds, but they're an invasive species. I know they cause issues, but they're kind of cute, and it's kind of an interesting, just socially, like how their groups or their flocks stay together and how they pair bond.